Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to block all notifications on your Android phone so you can stay focused on your activities. Let's get started. First of all, go to your settings app on your phone. Then you have to scroll your screen until you find a notification option, and it's right here guys. Just tap on it. Then you have to scroll down your screen until you find do not disturb option. It's right here guys. Then if you want to block all notification, you have to turn on this do not disturb mode. So you have to click on this toggle button. Alright, and actually there is another way to activate this mode. So on the top of your screen, you can swipe down like this, and you can swipe down again. Then you have to swipe left until you find do not disturb mode, and you have to click on it to activate the do not disturb mode. Alright, and right after you turn on this do not disturb mode, all the notification on your phone will be blocked, and you can stay focused on your activity. Alright guys, and that's how we can turn on the do not disturb mode so we can block all notification on our phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.